Barakathal Tiprah Academy English Medium School hosted a grand felicitation ceremony on Saturday to honor its successful secondary and higher secondary students. The high-profile event was graced by the presence of TTAADC Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma, Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma, and MDC Rabindra Debbarma.
Was the highest. CEM Runiel Debbarma.
The event celebrated this institution maintaining its stellar track record of achieving a 100% pass rate in both board examinations. The academy, which provides comprehensive education across the science, commerce and arts streams, saw its entire batch clear the board examinations with flying colors. School authorities noted that this flawless result continues the institution's long-standing tradition of academic excellence. The dignitaries presented tokens of appreciation to the meritorious students, praising their hard work and dedication. Video award ceremony. Addressing the gathering, the minister emphasized the role of quality education provided in Tiprah Academy in empowering the region's youth and shaping the future of the community.
Tiprah Academy, metric plus 12 exam di result secara first division higher first division second division mana जों बिनि high felicitation high Khorang banta sini Tiprah Academy dakhলাই 100% pass class semana Tiprah Academy no top 10 atau besar Tiprah dakhলাই percentage kan 77% toko highest 73, 72, 72, 72 24 zona juga first division exam di class 12 ni result ekdom kaham science commerce arts tongla because of 75% tongol Chini Felicitate Debbarma Mari Debbarma 73%.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful and beautiful speech. Your words have really motivated our students. And it is really motivation for all of us. And even the world without God, a person.
The program was smoothly coordinated by the school principal Mithun Rupani. Alongside the key political figures, the ceremony was attended by prominent leaders of the SNBA, dedicated school teachers, proud parents, and enthusiastic students, making the celebration a major community success.
Arts was scored like 69.4%, was the highest. Area of city Mr. 21.4% was scored like
Reporter from Barakathal, Chini Khorang.